Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to open a box with number 10 on it. Well, I'm guessing it's a box, it might be a packet from this lovely Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. Big one! Alright, let's have a look what we have in box number 10 for a packet. Let's find one. 12, 16, 20, 11, that's for tomorrow, tiny, I'll leave it on top, 13, 18, 14, 21, 20, 22, big, 10, oh, big one. I think it's the biggest one in the box. Wow, number 10, and it was right at the bottom. Something wooden. Can I get it out? I don't want to break the box. Excuse me. How can I open it? Quilty charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. Some sort of a board. Wow. This is an interesting one. Look at that. Nice wooden box, well, tray, and you can hang it. Oh. Interesting. There's the two options here, looks like. Looks like you can put something, have it as a serving board, and have it as a display on a wall. Right. Okay. There's a lot of words here on the card. I don't know what that is. How to create your own beautiful charcuterie. Charcuterie? Is that the word? Don't know. Truly impressive board balances a variety of flavors, textures and vibrant colors. Here are some easy tips for creating a stunning spread. You can still hang it. Alright, so you either use it as it looks in the picture, you either use it to put something on it, like nibbles, cheeses, berries, whatever's, meats, or just put it on the wall as a display. Nice! I think I might give it to my husband. Maybe not. No, it's mine. It's mine. Okay. Very useful in household. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow when we open box number 11. Bye!